Here at BRECOflex, we've got your back. This backing is D15 polyurethane. D15 polyurethane is available in green or natural. It has a hardness of 70 Shore A and a coefficient of friction of 0.8. Note that friction is relative to the material and weight of the product being conveyed. D15 is a machinable backing. Possible modifications include back grinding, edge grinding, grooves, perforations, pockets, and shapes. D15 is bonded to the timing belt with a strong industrial adhesive with a butt joint. D15 Natural can also be bonded with a lap joint. D15 polyurethane comes in standard thicknesses of 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeters. The minimum pulley diameter varies based on the thickness as noted here. A special polyurethane composition makes D15 resistant to wear and abrasion. It is ideal for wood, glass, and sheet metal applications. It can be machined and surface ground. It is non-marking. It offers limited resistance to solvents, oils, and greases, but is resistant to acids and bases. It has a temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.